Good afternoon. In this tutorial, we are going to learn Hamiltonian graph. Hamiltonian graph. To know, you have to know Hamiltonian path. So here we have considered one graph, and you have to find a path first. So, what is the difference between Hamiltonian path and normal path? Hamiltonian path is a path which contains all the vertices of the graph. Clear? So there may be several paths but which may not contain all the vertices. So Hamiltonian path is a special kind of path which contains all the vertices. Now if you check A, B, C, D, E is a path. Now in that graph also E, A, B, C, D is a path, and it is Hamiltonian path. Now if you consider this graph, and we'll find that let's try to construct a path. Let us suppose F, A, B, C, E, then D is missed. If you try to find a path from F, A, D, C, B, then E is missed. So you can't find a Hamiltonian path. Now I should not mention here what is the difference between path and circuit or cycle, so you know well. Now we are going to learn Hamiltonian path, Hamiltonian cycle. Now the same graph is considered, and in that case you will find a Hamiltonian circuit for the first graph. I will mention Hamiltonian cycle, though it is written Hamiltonian circuit here, but I will say Hamiltonian cycle, not circuit. So Hamiltonian cycle is a cycle that contains all the vertices of the graph, and here A, B, C, D, E A, B, C, E, D, A is a cycle that contains all the vertices. Here you may have noticed that the edge CD is not taken here. So this is not our target to catch all the edges. You may recall that in Euler graphs every edges were taken, but in that case every vertices are taken instead of edges. So edges may be ignored, but vertices must be taken, and exactly once, so no repetition will be there except the initial and starting vertices. Now let us check for the second graph. Here E, A, B, C, D may be a path, but you can't find a cycle. Is not it? So there is a cycle, Hamiltonian cycle A, B, C, D, A, but in that case E is missed. So so in that graph we can't find Hamiltonian cycle, not circuit. So I am mentioning this because there is a difference, lots of difference between cycle and circuit, as I mentioned in class. So remember it. Though it is written circuit, it is miswritten. Now you can check this graph also. There is no Hamiltonian cycle. Now what is Hamiltonian graph? So let me define that finally. So Hamiltonian graph is a graph that contains a Hamiltonian cycle, not circuit. So according to the definition, So this graph here is a Hamiltonian graph because it contains a Hamiltonian cycle, because you will find a cycle here which contains each and every vertex once. Now there are several problematic examples are there. For example, in the figure A, you will find a graph and you have to check it is Hamiltonian or not. So to mention it as Hamiltonian graph, you have to construct a Hamiltonian cycle and try. So this is your home task. So there are actually those 6 graphs which are to be examined, that they are Hamiltonian or not. So take it as an assignment, and I will give some assignment, different kinds of assignment to check a graph is Hamiltonian or Euler in the next class. Till then, thank you very much. Bye.